The Carbon Armor Silver's H5 30-inch jacket is the next generation for thermal protective solutions. Offering multi-hazard protection, our jacket is rated up to 2,900 degrees Fahrenheit molten metal and 3,000 plus degrees Fahrenheit radiant heat exposure. It's not often that comfort is considered in thermal protection. This jacket features our patented ventilated flex back design and articulated elbow for increased range of motion and extended movement. Underarm gussets keep the air flowing and provide breathability, while the 11-ounce aluminized OPF carbon-blended ripstop fabric is lighter weight fabric that provides thermal protection. That's increased range of motion and a lightweight jacket that's easy to wear. Try out the next generation in thermal, molten metal, and radiant heat protection for yourself. For more information, visit thinknsa.com and search NXJ-H5 to see this jacket and other high heat solutions. Or contact our customer service team to find a distributor today.